Here's the Subaru Outback. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. Now, in order to take the hatch out, all you have to do is undo 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one right over there. And they're all 10mm bolts, so all you need is a 10mm socket ratchet combination, one that looks like this. And let's just go ahead and get all the bolts off one by one. It's simple as that. First one's off, and this bolts have like a washer over there. I'll show you where it goes when we're putting it back in. Take the second bolt off, third one over here, and the 4th one over here finally, and the entire strut just comes right off with the brackets. There you go. It's all one piece. You can't just replace the strut by itself. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now let's just go ahead, get the new part and put it back in. And you see that washer? It goes in between the body and the strut bracket there. So it's the bolt, then the bracket, then the washer and the body. That's how the sequence is. Tighten all the 4 bolts one by one. 1, 2 is done, and 3 and 4 over here. Again, you see I'm putting the washer so that it goes between the bracket and the body. Put it on, tighten it, and now let's just try it out. It's the exact same process on the other side, no differences whatsoever. See, this is working fine. I was able to easily replace the strut, no issues whatsoever, and that's pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.